What if I told you the world's most expensive stock market is in the US, UK, or even China? According to this valuation guru, it's India, and he's warning investors to pay attention. Why is Sensex one of the worst performing major indices according to him? And which global markets can you look at? We will break down Aswath Damodaran's analysis of the stock markets in this video. So watch this video till the very end. NYU's Professor Aswath Damodaran and India's valuation guru in a blog post argues that India's pricing metrics are unsustainable and put investors at risk. Here's why. Indian companies are currently trading at 31 times earnings, 3 times revenue and 20 times EBITDA. And according to Professor Damodaran, these valuations can't be justified by any amount of optimism about India's growth story. Despite experiencing a recent 10% drop from their all-time highs, Indian stocks continue to command premium prices compared to global markets. Indian equities have outperformed global benchmarks over the past decade, driven by strong corporate earnings, policy reforms, and a rising retail investor base. However, valuations remain steep even after cooling off in 2024 with single-digit price appreciation. So, should Indian investors shift their money into global markets? Well, this is where it gets very interesting. The United States and China aren't far behind. They are also sitting firmly in what Damodaran calls the expensive category. Meanwhile, some of the world's most affordable markets are hiding in plain sight, like Latin America, offering potentially overlooked opportunities for investors. Argentina's Merval Index skyrocketed by an astonishing 170% in 2024, making it the year's best performing index. He adds, with Latin America, it is a split decision where you have two countries, Colombia and Brazil, on the lowest PE list. Now, before you rush to reallocate your portfolio, here's a crucial piece of advice from Professor Damodaran. These higher returns in emerging markets often come packaged with significantly higher risks. Smart investors need to factor in country-specific risks and demand higher expected returns when venturing into these markets. 2025 Outlook. Looking ahead to 2025, Professor Damodaran presents an intriguing perspective on the global economy. His analysis suggests we're entering a new era where trade wars and tariffs will make the world collectively poorer. However, as with any global shock, there will be winners and losers. The key challenge for investors will be positioning themselves on the right side of this very divide. That brings us to the end of this video. What's your take on these market valuations? Are you reconsidering your investment strategy in light of these insights? Share your thoughts in the comment section below, and do stay tuned to NDTV Profit for more news and updates.